Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda CRV versus HRV 2025, which is better. Follow along and take notes on ride feel, cargo space, fuel economy, and tech features. I will point out who each model suits best and where compromises are made. Expect clear examples about seating, trunk space, and driving impressions so you can decide which compact SUV fits your priorities without getting lost in specs. We will evaluate acceleration, steering feel, and braking confidence with simple, practical tests you can imagine doing yourself. I will describe how each SUV reacts in city traffic, on winding roads, and during highway merges. Pay attention to suspension tuning, engine responsiveness, and available drive modes because those factors shape daily driving pleasure. I will also suggest which setup suits commuting, family trips, and weekend escapes. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more comparisons and car guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that stack, seal, and fit neatly in a CRV or HRV cup holder area. They are a small change that saves time and keeps snacks from spilling on a road trip. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I will walk through cabin layout, seat comfort, and cargo versatility with clear comparisons you can picture. Listen for details about rear seat folding, underfloor storage, and usable trunk dimensions that affect real-life hauling. I will highlight infotainment usability, visibility, and ease of child seat installation so parents and frequent travelers make informed choices. Keep mental notes about which features matter most to your daily needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.